It's very calm. We didn't think they were. We just spent an hour on the beach, showing, not too impressed. So we decided to come back and check out the manatees. So they are around, but it's pretty. Is it coming back up? There's one right there. I can't see him. They're still here. You just gotta find them. I can see him again. And he just went right back down. So he's right there. It's kind of hard to see. The shadow is on the water. But he is just hanging out, staying in the same spot, going up and down right there. Nope, nope. You see his head picking up right there. Beautiful. And then he went right back down. I know, I'm sorry if my pointing it out is annoying, but I'm trying to show you where he is on the film. So the sun is setting. It looked like another storm cloud was rolling in, so we didn't really want to get stuck with that. So we decided to come back towards our room. And I got distracted by the manatees again. They are a lot of fun. Oh, he's right next to this boat. He's right there. Oh, he just went down. Yeah, he was right next to this boat right here. Alright, we're walking through the Marina. Sunday night. The sun is setting over there. Ooh, bright sun. I just wanted to point out what a day a difference makes. It is extremely quiet right now. I cannot say that about Saturday night. It was really loud Saturday night. This marina was a lot more full of people sleeping on their boats, partying on their boats, being a little loud. But now, there's barely any boats, and it's super quiet. Sunday night. These are all like, I don't know, buildings and stuff. Nothing's really open because of COVID. Charter boat. They do have a gift store that's open. Oh, we do have one party boat. And then a gift store. One gift store and one restaurant, which is the only thing that's pretty much open right now. I think there's like a snack bar at the pool, but a pizza place at the pool? By the pool. Maybe we'll try that tomorrow. I don't know. We don't really care.
I haven't seen any of it, so I'm not pretty sure what it is.
Yes. Did I say it was quiet?
It was quiet. No more.
So anyway, our room is over there somewhere.
Yeah, it's further over, isn't it?
Further over.
Thankfully, it's not a over.
Alright, let's walk down here. Yes. That's what I'm going for. No. Is that a snake? No, I don't know a snake. But that's a rabbit. Lots of rabbits. Our room is... What's cute? The rabbit? He is cute. This room. This is our room right here.
How do you know?
I don't. I'm making a guess.
I don't think so. We have a tree by ours.
Okay. This room. There's a light on. I bet this is ours.
Yeah.
right here.
Could be that one.
No, because I left the curtain open. Oh, well.
All right.
Could be that one. He's right. It could be that one.
Because yeah, it could be either or.
I think it's this one because I don't remember seeing that light. It's this one because there was a boat parked right here at this station. I will change my mind for the 20th time. For the 20th time.
Maybe I can talk you into this room. What is this?
Stop. 11 years ago on our anniversary, we stayed in that building over there.
One of the buildings.
This building.
Was it? Okay.
Just pretend I am right for once. Just pretend it was that building. Robert's going with that one, of course. Don't agree with your wife.
No, I can't. Because I think I stayed in this building with my parents.
Okay,
Because
fine.
the building that faced the water.
One of these buildings we stayed in. It was very nice. And then he fished off of that concrete, whatever you call it, barrier. Caught a stingray. Seawall.
I don't know.
Caught a sting. Oh my God, Robert, you want to go over there? There's a coconut on the
No,
ground.
It's a long walk.
It is a long walk.
There used to not be boats there. Because that's where my dad was fishing. There were actually more kids.
Well, there's kids fishing off right there.
Yeah.
I remember, yeah. So, and then this is where the boats come in. This is where the boats come in. Didn't even know we could walk this right here. Pretty cool. Dolphins will come in here. This is how the manatees get into the bay. This is how the dolphins get in. Robert says it's kind of low.
Yeah.
And then these are the what'd you call it? Mangroves?
Mangroves.
Mangrove. Ooh, something jumped over there. See? So you could fish from right here, couldn't you?
You can fish anywhere you want.
We could,
It's very shallow.
well, there's someone fishing over there. But I mean, if you fish down, oh shoot, okay. I see what he's saying. It's 2 inches of water right there.
It's more deep near the pole.
Gotcha.
Otherwise, boats couldn't come and go.
Gotcha.
Still gotta watch out for the tides, though. Even when it's marked.
There's people fishing right there.
Yep.
I just don't remember that we could have walked this.
I don't remember it even being here.
But I see what he's saying. You can see the bottom of the water right there.
Make it deeper, of course.
Yeah, it's deep because that's where the
But you
boats
really
come
have
in.
to cast if you're going to try to get out there.
Well, let's see what it looks like right here.
You fall in, though. You're in.
And there's the dock. There's a couple people fishing on the dock. Okay, there's a lot of people on the dock. I take that back. I said there's a lot of people on the dock. Fuel bait 8 to 4:30. Yeah, you can't really fish right here. You definitely have to cast out. All right, there goes that idea.
What idea?
Fishing right there.
Oh, yeah. I can fish it further. I just get a little tired of trying to fish and people are making a whole bunch of noise.
Yeah, they're trying to catch bait. We'll wait till later
Yeah.
when it's dark. And they're not, because they can't try to catch bait in the dark. It's too hard. These are the shells we picked up at our sunset walk. Not too many good ones. I did get a nice Murex, some olives, some more worms, some low ones for my shell bottle. And then we walked, after it got dark out, we did a loop to see if we could do some night fishing, but everyone was night fishing, so there really wasn't any open spaces to night fish. Don't know why it was so popular tonight. We could have found a spot, but you know, trying to social distance, I just didn't. Neither of us felt very comfortable with all the people out night fishing, so no big deal. We'd rather go to bed early. It's not really early, it's after 10. We're gonna get up at 5 and go fishing in the morning. Rather do morning fishing than night fishing anyway. Can watch the sunrise and fish during that time. So another good day. The rain, all the weathermen predicted. No, it rained for like 2 minutes. So another beautiful day on Captiva.